So in this video, we are required to factor this particular polynomial. And somebody may say that this is already factored. No, it is not factored. There are two methods by which one can do this. But let me do the first one. The first one is by opening this bracket. So I'll use 3 to open this bracket, and this will be 3 times x. That will give us what? 3x. Then 3 times minus y. That's minus 3y. Then minus 2x times y. That will give us minus 2 what? Xy. Then minus 2x times x. Don't forget minus times minus, that is plus 2x times x. That will give us what? 2 what? X squared, right? So having done this, the next thing we need to do is to rearrange. So if I rearrange this, it's going to be giving me 2x squared, right, minus what? 2xy, right, plus what? 3x minus what? 3y. Now looking at this, we can actually factor this separately. How do I mean? What is common to this particular term? There is 2 and there is x. So if we factor this, this one will give us 2, x into bracket x minus y. How do I mean? 2x times x, that's 2x squared. Then 2x times minus y, that's minus 2xy. Then for this one, then plus, what is common to both of them? That is what? 3, right? So in this case, we can have what? 3 into bracket x minus what? Y. So we can see that we have a common factor, unlike the original question where we have x minus y and y minus x. All right, though we can use opposite factor here, which I will do in the next video, okay, so as to make it clearer. So now since x minus y and x minus y are similar here, so we can say x minus y, right, take them as 1 into bracket what's 2x plus what's 3. So the solution to this problem is x minus 1 to x plus 3. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.